Good morning, Ben. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, I did. How about you?
I slept well too. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. What is for breakfast?
I am making eggs and toast. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. I love coffee in the morning.
Do you take sugar in your coffee?
Just a little bit, please. No milk.
Here you go. Be careful, it is very hot.
Thank you. This smells delicious.
You are welcome. What time is it now?
It is 7:30. Why do you ask?
I need to leave by 8 o'clock today.
Do you have a meeting this morning?
Yes, I have a very important meeting at 9.
Are you nervous about it?
A little bit, but I am prepared.
You will do great. Don't worry.
Thanks, Ben. Did you see my car keys?
I think they are on the kitchen counter.
Oh, I see them now. Thank you.
Do you have your phone and your bag?
Yes, I have everything. I am ready.
Have a wonderful day at work.
Thanks. I will see you this evening.
Hi, Anna. Are you back from your meeting?
Yes, it went very well. Now I am going to the store.
Can I come with you? We need a lot of things.
Sure. Let's make a list first.
Good idea. Do we have any milk left?
No, the carton is empty. We need 2 bottles.
Okay. What about fruits? Do we have apples?
We have apples, but we need some bananas.
I also want to buy some oranges for juice.
Great. Do we need any vegetables for dinner?
Yes, please buy some carrots and onions.
Should we get some chicken or beef?
Let's get chicken. It is easier to cook.
Okay. Do we have enough rice at home?
I checked earlier. We have a big bag of rice.
Perfect. Do you want any snacks?
Maybe some potato chips and chocolate.
Just 1 bag of chips, Ben. We must eat healthy.
You are right. Let's get some yogurt instead.
Good choice. Do we need dish soap?
Yes, we are almost out of soap.
Okay, I'm adding it to the list.
Are we taking the car or walking?
Let's drive. The bags will be heavy.
Okay, I'll grab my jacket and meet you outside.
The house is a bit messy today, don't you think?
You are right. Let's clean it together.
I will clean the kitchen. Can you do the living room?
Sure. Should I vacuum the floor?
Yes, please. And dust the TV stand.
Okay. Where is the vacuum cleaner?
It is in the small closet under the stairs.
Found it. Do we have any glass cleaner?
Yes, it is under the kitchen sink.
I want to clean the windows too.
That would be great. They are quite dirty.
What should I do with these old magazines?
Please put them in the recycling bin.
Done. Do you need help in the kitchen?
Can you take out the trash, please?
I will do it right now. Is the bag full?
Yes, it is very heavy. Be careful.
No problem. I am strong.
Haha, I know you are. Thanks, Ben.
The living room looks much better now.
The kitchen is sparkling clean, too.
We are a great team, Anna.
We really are. Are you tired?
A little bit. Cleaning is hard work.
Let's take a short break before we continue.
Anna, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books and listening to music.
What kind of books do you like?
I mostly like mystery novels and biographies.
That sounds interesting. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do, but I prefer comedies over horror movies.
I agree. Horror movies are too scary for me.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
I really enjoy playing the guitar and swimming.
I didn't know you played the guitar.
Yes, I have been playing for 3 years.
Can you play a song for me later?
I would love to. It's very relaxing.
Do you go to the pool every week?
I try to go every Saturday morning.
Is the water cold?
No, it is a heated pool, so it feels nice.
Maybe I should join you next time.
You should. It is great exercise.
Do you like playing video games?
Sometimes, but I prefer being outdoors.
I like hiking in the mountains.
Me too. The fresh air is wonderful.
Let's plan a hiking trip for next month.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Anna, you look a bit pale. Are you okay?
Not really. I have a terrible headache.
Do you have a fever as well?
I think so. My forehead feels very hot.
You should see a doctor today.
You are right. I will call the clinic.
Do you want me to drive you there?
Yes, please. I don't feel like driving.